how does it feel getting back on the field with ACB season 2?
Well, it feels amazing. As we all know, that ACB season one was quite a success, and we were expecting ACB to do, even more, and that's what we got. And इस बार और बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी हो रखी है. इनफैक्ट ग्राउंड भी और अच्छे से हुआ है, और कोविड के लॉकडाउन के बाद आए हैं, तो हमें वो और जोश है. और नाउ दैट वी हैव वन, एक मैच हमारा फर्स्ट मैच वी प्लेड रियली वेल. सो मैंने आज जो है हमारा मुंबई एसिस के साथ मैच है, तो हम और एक्साइटेड है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंथुजियास्टिक है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़.
आपकी टीम से अगर आपको कुछ नाम लेने हो ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स, who will they be?
Well, actually, एक तो नहीं है, बहुत सारे हैं. I mean, to name a few, I would say, Shiv is our ace batsman. Jay is a brilliant captain and a very good batsman again. And then we have bowlers like Daksh, we have bowlers like Abhilash, Rakshit. So all of them, they all know their roles. So that is basically what is good about our team. कि सबको पता है कि उनको क्या करना है. And we are as a team a very cool-headed people. So बहुत मज़ा भी आ रहा है, खेल भी रहे हैं और बहुत फन भी कर रहे हैं, तो it is very good.
How is Mr. Jay Bhanushali as a captain?
Oh, he's amazing. I think he's a very cool-headed. He's like कि एक ऐसा कैप्टन जिसको कि हाँ चिल भी करना है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो पंप भी करना है. अगर किसी से कुछ ड्रॉप हो रही है कैच, तो इट्स ओके. या वी आर एक्टर्स फर्स्ट दैन क्रिकेटर्स, सो वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ बहुत टाइम बाद खेल रहे हैं, तो सबको पता है कि एक एडेड प्रेशर रहता है, बट ही इज़ मैनेजिंग द ट्रूप्स वेरी वेरी वेल एंड इट्स कमेंडेबल.
Any tough competitors you can name from other teams?
Yeah, well, we have a very tough match today that we have with Mumbai Aces. शरद खेलकर उनकी टीम बहुत अच्छी टीम है, और उनके सारे अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं जो वो भी कल एक मैच जीते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी अ टफ मैच टुडे. प्रैक्टिस मैच में खैर हमने उनको हराया काफ़ी कन्विंसिंगली. सो वी एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम आवर टीम टू डू द सेम इन द रियल टूर्नामेंट नाउ.
Lastly, any projects of yours that we'll see in 2021?
Well, yeah, there are a couple of them which they are in pipeline. So hopefully they would go on floor in February once I get to know for sure. I'm telling you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Firstly, how does it feel getting back on the field with ACB season 2?
Yes, it's a great feeling and काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग इसका वेट कर रहे थे कि कब स्टार्ट होगा, कब परमिशंस मिलेंगी खेलने की. So finally it started and we all are very 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 excited and happy for this.
कल का मैच आप लोग जीत गए, so आज कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है कि you all are like नहीं tough
एक्चुअली
competition आज
नहीं एक्चुअली अहमदाबाद वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीम है इस लीग में, जहाँ तक कि मेरी कैलकुलेशन है और मेरी टीम की कैलकुलेशन है. एंड द थिंग इज़ पहला मैच जीतना बहुत ज़रूरी था, क्योंकि वो प्रेशर दिमाग से रिलीज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. तो बहुत अच्छा मैच जीते हैं कल एंड येस वी आर रेडी विद द कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर द सेकंड मैच.
आपकी टीम से अगर कुछ प्लेयर्स आपको चूज करने हो या नाम लेना हो जो बहुत बेहतरीन है, who would they be?
एक्चुअली सब बहुत बेहतरीन है अपनी फील्ड में. हर किसी को ना एक ड्यूटी दी गई है कि भाई आपका काम ये है, आपको ये करना है फील्ड के ऊपर. तो हर किसी की ड्यूटीज़ बटी हुई हैं, हर कोई अच्छा है, लेकिन सम प्लेयर्स आर वेरी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी वेल्ड. उसमें अभिषेक वर्मा है, ठीक है, और मयूर है, अनुज है एंड शरद भाई खुद हैं. बहुत सारे प्लेयर हैं, लेकिन सबकी ड्यूटीज़ बटी हुई हैं. हम लोगों ने तो लास्ट सीज़न खेला था, कुछ नए लोग, नए चेहरे भी आए हैं, लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे शरद भैया का कॉन्फिडेंस उनके ऊपर बढ़ रहा है. दैट्स इट.
If we have to take a few names of tough competitors from other teams, which players would they be?
I'll mention them one name, that is Shiv. एंड अगर हम बॉलिंग में काउंट करेंगे तो दक्ष पाजी हैं, दक्ष अजीत सिंह जी. तो दो नेम हैं जो टफ कॉम्पिटिटर हैं.
Any projects of yours जो हम 2021 में देखेंगे?
मैं हमेशा की तरह बोलता आया हूँ कि आई कैन नॉट रिवील, ठीक है, बट वेरी वेरी सून यू विल सी मी ऑन द टीवी स्क्रीन. होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
पारस एक आधी ज़्यादा भी ले सकते हो अगर चाहिए तो, अभी तक मैच में start. captain's excitement since you all have also won the first match?
यस सो जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग पहला मैच जीते हैं और ये आज का मैच उन दो टीम्स के बीच में है जो कल का दोनों मैच जीते हैं लाइक वी वन अगेंस्ट दिल्ली एंड अहमदाबाद वन अगेंस्ट चेन्नई सो आई एम श्योर दोनों टीम के स्पिरिट्स आर क्वाइट हाई एंड दोनों टीम्स हैव गॉट वेरी बैलेंस साइड एंड full of talent and I think it's going to be a tough match. This is definitely a tough match and one of the best matches in the tournament.
How is Mr. Sharad Khekar as a captain?
Sharad has played a lot of cricket and I have played a lot of cricket with him. So I understand him pretty well. What I like about him is that he's very inspiring. He keeps his players always in high moods and he takes the pressure off them. You know, he doesn't give any pressure to his players. He just goes, he tells them just go there and enjoy, and that's what we do. So I think, and he's very good. He's very sensitive about all his players. Make sure that everybody plays. So, those are the good qualities of our captain.
Any tough competitors from other teams? Any players that you could name?
Yeah. In fact, unki puri team are full of tough competitors. There is Shiv who plays very well. Again, I played with him a lot. Rakshit Pant, who has played at a very good level. And there is Daksh, there is Gulshan Nain, there is Jay Bhanushali. Matlab, their team is just packed with talent. Daksh.
Any players from your team that you could say they are like far brilliant?
Well, see, our side I feel is a very young side. You know, we are a very young side. I would say at 80-90% of our players are on a lower bracket of age. So that makes a lot of difference. It gives us a lot of energy to play with. Secondly, our openers and a few of our talents are very much in. They're in form. जैसे कि आपने कल देखा हमने we didn't lose many wickets. हमने खाली barely 2 wickets lose किया और हमने we won by 8 wickets. So obviously our जो top order batsmen हैं they are in form. And that makes a huge difference because in a 15-over match आपके अगर 2 players अच्छे खेल जाएं तो मैच आप जीत सकते हैं.
Lastly, any new shows or any new projects of yours that we'll see in 2021?
Yes, see, well, I feel I'm a actor of all medium. I have done work in all the mediums. I've done ad films. I've done lots of TV, and I've done a few films also. But now I'm concentrating more on web series because I feel that's a new age entertainment that our audiences are getting exposed to, and so I am very much into this. There are a couple of projects which I cannot divulge too much, but it will be coming in platforms like Amazon or Netflix, and very soon I'm going to announce those.
Thank you so much.
All right.
What's up, bro?
Firstly, how does it feel getting back with ACB season 2?
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी बैक विद ACB यार. आजा मेरी जान. एक इंजरी हो गई थी मुझे जिसकी वजह से मैं नेट्स पे नहीं आ पा रहा था, बट आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी बैक विद द टीम. इट्स अ पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सारे दोस्त मिलते हैं, हमारी टीम के हो चाहे दूसरी टीम के हों. ऐसे मौके बहुत कम आते हैं इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पे सारे एक्टर साथ में आए, मिल के खेले. तो आई एम जस्ट टू हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
Any best players that you can name from your team?
My team, there are a lot of good players. Abhishek Verma is fantastic as a batsman. कुणाल पंत है, हिमांशु भाई हैं, हमारे कैप्टन हैं. काफ़ी टैलेंट भरा हुआ है. पारस इज़ बॉलिंग रियली वेल नाउ डेज. सो ये सारे हैं जो बहुत ही कमाल के हैं और मैं तो हूँ ही सही.
Any players who can be tough competition from your team, from other teams?
From my team?
From other teams.
From other team, today's match, if I say, there are gonna be eyes on Ribhu, there's gonna be eyes on Shiv, I guess, and Jay for sure. बिकॉज ये 2-3 खिलाड़ी हैं जो काफ़ी अच्छा खेलते हैं, जिन्होंने हमें पास में भी हमने उन्हें अच्छा खेलता हुआ देखा है. बट हमारे बॉलर्स पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं और सबको कहीं ना कहीं एक दूसरी की कमियां पता है, तो उसका यूज़ करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे.
How is Mr. Sharad Khekar as a captain?
Oh, he's fantastic. He is amazing. I think एक कैप्टन का कमांडिंग होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट दैट वी कुड हैव. उनकी कमांड बहुत कमाल की है, सारे रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, बातें सुनते हैं, नॉलेज बहुत है उनके पास. तो सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट शरद इज़ लीडिंग द टीम अगेन, क्योंकि टीम फिर एक टीम की तरह खेल पा रही है. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग.
Lastly, any projects of yours that we'll see in 2021?
2021 is opening with a lot of good news, and I hope ये continue हो. 20 जनवरी को मेरा एक गाना रिलीज़ हो रहा है विच इज़ बाय अमित त्रिवेदी। एवरीबडी नो अमित त्रिवेदी कितने कमाल के म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर हैं, तो उनके साथ मेरा गाना रिलीज़ हो रहा है। उसके बाद विशाल ददलानी का एक गाना था जो एक डांसिंग नंबर है, वो आ रहा है, वो चार्ली के साथ में है। एंड 14 फेब को मेरी एक लार्ज शॉर्ट फिल्म है, वो रिलीज़ हो रही है। तो चीज़ें लाइंड अप हैं और हो रही हैं, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई जस्ट होप कि 2021 मेरे साथ सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो। थैंक यू।
फर्स्टली कैसे लग रहा है एसीबी सीजन 2 का सेकंड डे है, यू ऑल हैव वन द फर्स्ट मैच, सो व्हाट इज द एक्साइटमेंट एंड
एक्साइटमेंट तो डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा। कल का मैच जीत चुके हैं और आज का मैच भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैच होने वाला है अहमदाबाद लायंस के साथ। सो वी आर होपिंग कि हम अच्छे से खेलें और कोशिश तो ये है कि जीते। पिछले प्रैक्टिस मैच में उन्होंने हराया हमें तो हम तो कोशिश करेंगे जीतने की।
हाउ इज मिस्टर शरद केलकर एज अ कैप्टन?
Oh, he's a wonderful captain. He's a great leader, and the way he guides the whole team, I think it's fantastic.
If you had to name a few good players from your team, who would you?
Abhishek Verma is very good. Kunal Pant is very good. Paras bowls very well, and I am very good. Yeah,
Any players who could be tough competitors from other teams?
Shiv. वही सब मैचों में मैन ऑफ द मैच, सब मैचों में मैन ऑफ द सीरीज। बस वो अकेला ही है मुझे लग रहा है जो पूरी टीम को चला रहा है।
Any of your projects that we'll see coming?
At the moment, Shersha from Dharma, that will be releasing soon, and I've hopped onto a new show for Dangal at the moment. So yeah, you'll be seeing me very very soon on television. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
तो ऐसा था कि बस हाँ यार एक्चुअली हम लोगों की साइड में मैच पे हुई है ना, तो कभी इसलिए तो फिर हमें लगता है कि जब आपने खेला ही मैच पे पूरा का पूरा मैंने भी सारा मैच पे चलो तो होती नहीं पूरा मैच में बॉल आपके यहाँ तक आता, तो जब आप नॉर्मल विकेट पे जाते हो तो आप बैट से लाइन लेके और इंडिया की सारी बातें हैं बस स्पिन होती है ना, तो गीला गूला हो जाए तो रुक जाएगा।
Firstly, how does it feel getting on field again for the ACB season?
Feels great, feels good to be back on field. I think each one of us were waiting for this moment to be on field, to get the momentum going. So yeah, we all are very happy.
You all won the match yesterday, so what was the excitement and confidence level?
Yesterday we won, yeah. So yeah, excitement is pretty much high, and expectations also. So let's see. Today is a new match, so we're gonna, start from the beginning and forget the past and just move on to the next.
How is Mr. Sharad Kelkar as a captain?
He's brilliant. He's our captain. He's our brother. He knows where to fit the player, where exactly this player should be used, or I think he knows each and every calculation very well. So yeah, he's too good.
Any tough players from other teams that you think that they will be a good or a tough competition for you all?
I don't think so. When we are on field, we never thought anybody else as a very tough competitor. But yeah, everyone is good. Everyone is acting. So none of us are a professional players. But yeah, we all have played a very good cricket in past life. So everyone is playing good. So we just have to give our best. Yeah, so my new show on Star is gonna come soon. It's from 8th of Feb. So please keep loving. Thank you.
I jump to the bus and we're live. You can catch all the action live on MX Player and of course YouTube. Our two winning teams from yesterday, Mumbai Aces and Team Ahmedabad Lions, have been powered by Team Mumbai Aces by Pellet Drum Productions and Bunsen Travel, and Ahmedabad Lions by Vegan Shakes and more. Ads and you are.
Firstly, Actors Cricket Bash season 2 start हुआ है, so what is the excitement?
See, when it comes to cricket, excitement is always there. It doesn't matter what the time is, what the situation is, what the circumstances are. But we are very happy that it's finally happening, because we were waiting since Feb 2020. Finally, it's happening in Jan 2021. I'm very happy.
Yesterday's match, you all won the match with a good
Margin.
Good margin. So how's the confidence level?
To be very honest, this time Ahmedabad Lions is the favorite team to win this championship. But still, every match is every match is very important and every match is difficult because cricket is by chance. Anything can happen. One ball change the entire game. So, anyways, in any series, any tournament, when you win your first game, you get a lot of confidence. So definitely, we got a very good confidence yesterday.
How is Mr. Jay Bhanushali as a captain?
Jay is a very good captain because the very important thing as a captain, he takes advices. Because generally what happens when captain is talking, rest of the people are not saying anything because captain's call is the final call, which is always there. But if he sees that the whatever advice he's getting is genuine and it's going to help the team, he takes it.
Who are the best players in your team, if you had to name a few?
I think not just me, every team will say Shiv because he was man of the series last year, and this time also we are really depending on Shiv a lot. But we have a good side, balanced side, and I always say even in my vlog as well that the energy we had last year in Mumbai Aces, because I was playing from Mumbai Aces last year, the energy, the positivity we had last year, we have the same energy, same enthusiasm this year in Ahmedabad Lions, so which is a very big plus for us.
Any tough competitors from other teams, any players that you could name?
Right now, the match which is going to happen now against Mumbai Aces, which was the winner of ACB 1, the toughest team I feel, because they have a very good batting lineup and bowling lineup. So I guess this match is going to be tough, and at the same time psychologically going to give a lot of boost to whoever are going to win this match today. So, and I think like Verma is a very good batsman from Mumbai Aces. He's very good. Sharad, pinch hitter, anytime we can change the game. And yesterday also they were playing really well. They have 2-3 very good bowlers. So I think Mumbai Aces is a balanced team and very competitive.
Lastly, any of your projects that we'll see in 2021?
I'm working on my first solo. I saw, yesterday announcement of Balli's first single. My single is also ready, and it's a beautiful romantic song. And I'm just waiting for the video because audio is recorded already. Hopefully by June you will see my first single, and I'm expecting a lot from that because already I'm working on second song. And yeah, 21 is very important for me because I'm trying a new avenue which I wanted to try from last quite some year, and finally it's happening. So yeah, wait for my first single.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
ब्लू ले लो, ब्लू थोड़ा
ठीक है जी, रेडी राहुल भाई सीधा
चलो रेडी।
जो नहीं उठाएगा आई मीन दो कौन हेड कलर बोलूंगा हेड यस हेड यस हेड यस राइट
झपट्टा सिंह झपट्टा
अभिलाष ने कहा बहते हो क्या रहा था
इधर है अपना टॉस का भी हो रहा है।
ये तुम कोनी मास्टर, मुझे तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया हुआ क्या। जब तक वाइट बोला तब तक मैं हाथ नीचे गया था, तो बंदा उठ के भी चला गया।
अगर राहुल भाई आपको हार के कैसा लगा?
नहीं
भाई आपको हार के कैसा लगा?
मेरे को हार के बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुझे पता था मेरा भाई जीतेगा।
अपना भाई
हमारा पहले ही आपस में तालमेल हो चुका था। मैंने सोचा था कि ठीक है आप जीतो, टेंशन मत लो।
नहीं ऐसे बोलना, हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
हार के जीतने वाले को ही बाजी करते हैं।
retain their undefeated position so far.
So for the best, we will try and continue the same effort what we put yesterday. Best is next 3 hours.
Wow, next 3 hours are going to decide a lot for us. So you're also ready to continue with the same rhythm that we saw yesterday on the field?
Of course, we are not in any kind of pressure because we are the defending champions. Last year they won the league, and we have nothing to lose. So we are just going to be on ground, play the way we usually play, and enjoy the game. And yeah, we are taking every match as it comes.
That's the spirit. Can we please have Dilip Agarwal, sir, to do the honors with that lovely coin? Are you ready for the toss? आप ही का coin है. Very good. You choose to bat first. Yesterday very good job. We did a very similar decision. And what's the target?
No, last year we were feeling first. We lost the toss because of that. But one thing I realized in the Mumbai and Delhi match that we all after 5-6 o'clock, it's a little difficult for the match back because of the view and everything. So we sort of like taking the advantage of the pitch, which is very nice right now to back and put a nice kick and give a chance to the Mumbai team to beat us.
Do you look at that as a disadvantage?
Not really. Yesterday also we did the same call. We fielded last year.
Lovely. Both the captains seem very, very prepared and we're looking forward to a very exciting match that's going to be basketball. All the best. Over to the field. Let's see all the action with what promises to look like a very, very exciting opening.